Hello everyone, I am Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about Voice Extensible Markup Language, that is Voice XML. It is a markup language which is based on the HTML tag that is used to create many voice applications and audio dialogues. It is a digital document standard that specifies interactive voice response, that is in the form of IVR applications, and it is currently industry standard for building them. Voice XML applications can accessed from any phone and can interact with business data and logics. Users can interact with voice XML applications by speaking or pressing telephone keys. This voice XML, the best example as we are surfing using voice searching. This is the best example for voice XML. In order to develop such a type of application, we can use either HTML or XML tags. With these tags will helps to develop voice based XML files or voice based files inside the mobile phone or various devices. In voice application, it can include various dialogues and features. First, spoken input telephone keypad. It is an input recording of spoken input, synthesized speech out, recorded audio output. Telephony features such as call transfer and disconnect data flow control voice XML, which was developed in 1999 by telecom industry experts. In voice XML, first it should record the user's request in the form of voice, and then it will be processed with the help. Those requests will be processed inside the web server. Before transmitting to web server, it meet out various entities in order to transfer files from requested part to receiver end. Since it was developed by W3 consortium, it is in this voice XML, various tags or various tags can be implemented. Also, it helps to develop a web server side logic to deliver voice content to the internet. In this diagram, the process will be how the process will be takes place between telephonic system to the web server. In this diagram, I am going to take the telephonic system as a fixed landline. Through this, I can data can be transmitted to nearest PSTN network. After that network will forward the same request to the browsers. That browser will proceed the request and find out the HTTP address of the server. It founds various addresses regarding that server, but it find out the nearest and accurate server which process the information. That information will be again forwarded to the nearest web servers. In this in these applications, it contains various grammars, audio files and scripts. These will be processed in web server, and web server will produce the output to the end user. In web server, we also call it as a application server, since it process user requests, so it is called as application server. It uses various logic, context and data, transaction processing, database processing and database interface. It will maintain a number of databases in order to process the user request, and it uses various processing mechanisms to produce the output which is requested by the prompt users. In the form of the voice XML contains various images, audio files and scripts which will be processed by the web server, and web browser is the interface through which we can receive the output from the web server. So that web server will be act as a backend. In this, the voice XML language, it uses a familiar markup styles and web server side logics in order to deliver a content to the receiver. It uses various syntaxes and tags. Those tags helps to find out and generate new files, which is very innovative to the mobile application development. These tags will also be helps to implement voice XML based applications in mobile computing. So in mobile computing, voice XML is a part of MC, which helps to find out or surfing data easily from the web server regarding of content making. So this is the best advantages while we are using voice XML inside mobile applications. Thank you.